Hey everyone, if your Vivaldi browser is not opening in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step methods to fix Vivaldi when it won't start, crash on launch, or open a blank window. First, Vivaldi may not open due to corrupted user profile, stuck background process, GPU acceleration issues, or damaged installation files. Start by closing all Vivaldi processes. Sometimes the browser is already running in the background. Next, restart your computer. Yeah, this clears stuck processes and resets system resources. Now try running Vivaldi as administrator. Right-click the icon and choose Run as Administrator. If Vivaldi opens but shows a blank screen, GPU acceleration may be the issue. Vivaldi Safe Mode disables extensions. Yeah, this helps identify if an extension is blocking startup. If it opens in safe mode, go to Extensions and disable all of them, then restart normally. Another major fix is resetting your user profile. A corrupted profile is one of the most common causes. If nothing works, reinstall Vivaldi. Yeah, uninstall it completely, then download the latest version from the official website. Sometimes antivirus software blocks Vivaldi from opening. Temporarily disable it or add Vivaldi to the allowed list. Outdated graphics drivers can also cause launch issues. Yeah, update your GPU drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. For stability, keep Vivaldi updated and avoid installing too many extensions. Extensions are the most common cause of startup issues. A common mistake is repeatedly clicking the icon. This can create multiple background processes and make the issue worse. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Vivaldi browser not opening in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.